Hi there, students. Incredulity, a noun. Incredulous, the adjective. The opposite is credulous. So, if something is incredulous, you can't believe it. Incredulity, disbelief. So if you're incredulous, not uncredulous, you're unwilling or unable to believe something is true. You don't want to believe it's true. You just can't find it in yourself to believe the truth of it. I could hardly believe how much they had charged me. I was incredulous when they gave me the bill. I looked at the bill with incredulity. With incredulity, in incredulity. She listened to me with an incredulous look on her face. So she did not want to believe what I was saying, or she just couldn't believe it. They were incredulous when I told them my cock and bull story. Yeah? So a cock and bull story, a rubbish story, something invented. When students say, my dog ate my homework, I'm incredulous. I don't want to believe them. So probably a good question is, what is the difference between incredible and incredulous? Well, something that is incredible is unbelievable. It's not convincing. Whereas incredulous, not wanting or not able to believe, skeptical. Also notice something is incredible. A thing is incredible, a story is incredible, but a person is incredulous. So people are incredulous about incredible stories. Incredible, unbelievable, incredulous, unbelieving. I'm incredulous when people tell me stories of flying saucers. The fact that I can't understand it doesn't make it a UFO. The opposite of incredulous is credulous, meaning to dispose to believe with little supporting evidence. So credulous, believing, trusting, naive, gullible. Incredulous, disbelieving, doubting, skeptical, distrustful. So I'm fairly incredulous when it comes to excuses and alibis. I think some people tend to be more credulous and some people tend to be more incredulous. So what about formality for incredulity? I'd probably give this a 6.5 in formality. It sounds a little bit literary. You could definitely use this in a formal and semi-formal writing. Informally, maybe, but I think you might use unbelieving or skeptical or doubting. And as to origin, well, there was an old French word, incredulité, and that itself comes from late Latin, incredulous or incredulitas, meaning unbelieving, not wanting to believe. So, incredulous, so amazing that you can't believe it. He looked at me in incredulity. He couldn't believe what I was saying. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Incredulous, incredulity.